Today I'm going to show you how to sync your audio beats with your video clips in CapCut. Ladies and gentlemen, I use an older version of the desktop CapCut version, and the reason for this is because I am able to use more features that are manual features and not their AI features. Now, what I'm going to show you is going to be on their web browser version. However, you can do this on the latest version of the desktop version, and you can also do this on the mobile version. So what you will need is either video clips or you will need some photographs. So I've added in some photographs here. You can see I've added in a bunch, and I've also added in music. So to sync your beats will only sync to cuts. So it will not sync to in between this video clip or in between a photograph. It'll only sync to the actual cuts that you see over here. Now what you need to do, make sure that you've selected your music here. And just over here it says beats detection, okay? Right over here, click on this. Now it'll be turned on. So go ahead, click on turn on. It'll now detect the beats in the audio. It'll then also have a look at your video clips and it will adjust accordingly. So you can see over here, beats detection. Let's give that a little listen. Okay, so now we can see that these are our beats. Let's just zoom in here a little bit. Let's click on our first video clip and let's adjust it to our beats. Here we go. I like this a lot. Let's go like that. You'll see that it is also snapping to the beats. Okay, so as it gets closer to the beat, it actually is aligning itself automatically, and that's this setting over here. All right, so once we have pretty much gone through all of the trouble of doing this, let's go and let's do the rest of them. We can see what this will actually look like. All right, so here we go. We've got all of our beats going, and essentially what's going to happen is your photographs are going to change, or your video clips, photo clips, whatever clips you have are going to change according to the beats. Now let's check it out. Alright, now the next thing that you need to do is add some transitions. There's a video on how to add transitions into your projects in CapCut on our channel. Just go ahead and search it, and then you'll have a masterpiece.